Everyone rides a motorcycle, but not everyone is an intelligent rider. There are some mistakes that most riders make every day, but highly intelligent riders always avoid them. If you ride a motorcycle, this video might completely change the way you think about riding. An intelligent rider doesn't just know how to ride a bike. They also understand the value of their safety, their motorcycle, and their life. Today, we're going to talk about 5 things that highly intelligent riders never do. Point 1. Highly intelligent riders never speed, perform wheelies, or do unnecessary stunts just to impress other people, because they know that a few seconds of showing off can change their lives forever. Point 2. Highly intelligent riders never ignore safety gear. To them, a helmet, gloves, and proper riding shoes are not accessories. They are essential tools that protect their lives. Point 3. Highly intelligent riders never ride aggressively when they are angry, stressed, or emotional because they understand that emotions weaken decision-making and significantly increase the risk of accidents. Highly intelligent riders never ignore the condition of their motorcycles. They regularly check their brakes, tires, and engine because they know that even a small mechanical problem can lead to a serious accident. Point 5. Highly intelligent riders never assume that everyone else on the road is driving correctly. They stay alert, ride defensively, and remain mentally prepared for unexpected situations. True intelligence is not about riding fast. It's about riding safely, responsibly, and with awareness. If you make these 5 habits part of your riding style, you'll become not only a better rider, but also a smarter and safer one. If you want to become an intelligent rider like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these habits you're going to adopt starting today. Everyone rides a motorcycle, but not everyone is an intelligent rider. There are some mistakes that most riders make every day. Point 2. Highly intelligent riders never ignore safety gear.